Yesterday I had the privilege of meeting with members of Australia's Tibetan community. I thank them for their time, and they spoke bravely to me, told me profound stories of personal and cultural loss, and spoke about their hopes for self-determination and freedom for the people of Tibet. Right now, Tibet remains under the authoritarian rule of the Chinese government, and people there are denied freedom of movement, freedom of religion and freedom of expression. The Chinese government also continues to interfere in the cultural and spiritual life of Tibetans, including preparations for the future succession of the Dalai Lama. We have to be clear. Any Dalai Lama appointed by the Chinese government has no legitimacy, and any Chinese government interference in the choice of the new Dalai Lama is unacceptable. Australia cannot stay silent on these issues. Silence risks being interpreted as acquiescence to authoritarianism. As a democracy with strong commitments to human rights and to a fair, rules-based international order, we have a responsibility to act. That means declaring that Tibet's status remains unresolved and supporting the Tibetan people's right to self-determination. It means encouraging genuine dialogue between China and the Tibetan leadership, and it means funding cultural preservation and advocacy, particularly in exile communities who are working to keep their traditions alive. A principled stand from Australia would bring us into line with many in the international community, including the United States, and with international law. The Tibetan people deserve freedom, whether they are here in Australia or in Tibet.